I don't believe in love no more. Fuck that shit. Fuck love.
No, that.
Fuck that.
No.
Every time I would catch him cheating because I wouldn't drop music, I wouldn't post pictures, I wouldn't do nothing because he would always have a problem with me doing something, I drop a song that he didn't want me to drop. Ratchet Turk song started going crazy, and he was like, they only like the song because you're talking about. It was a raunchy song. Mm-hmm. Can I curse on it?
You can curse.
All right, cool. It was like, oh, because you're talking about shaking that. I'm like, no, they like the song because the song is good. Yeah. What are you talking about? Every time that I would get bookings, he would come out of town with me just to ruin my bookings. Oh, God. Like, he would think that I'm trying to talk to the promoters. And so there was...
Meanwhile, he does his cheating.
Yes.
If you fuck with me, go out there and be ambitious. Go out there and really get shit done and stop depending on motherfuckers.
I am the star in any room that I stand in. I am the stand.
Oh, now we gotta go.
Hey, Rych Babes. Okay, listen, if your man is cheating, let's be honest, what would you actually do? I mean, would you cheat back? Would you put sugar in his gas tank? I mean... Would you stay quiet and just glow up? Would you just ask him for more money? Would you try to sabotage who he's actually loving on? Would you fight the other girl? Like, would you just forgive him and move past it? I want to know, what would you do? Now, when you found out that your man is cheating, there are countless ways that you can handle the situation. But let's be real, some of us are crazy as hell. And that's okay. We can all admit that we all got a little crazy in us. Hey, Rych Babes, I'm Bella Dyor. Welcome to the channel. If you're new, welcome. Hey, Rych Babe, welcome to the community. I know it's a little late, but we had to discuss what to do when your man is cheating. Okay, so some of us might choose some confrontation, some might get revenge, and some might just walk away. But for the sake of this video, we're going to do the option that we think is most powerful. Staying calm and leaving quietly. Yes, you heard me right. So let's get right into what some ladies did when they found out that their man was cheating and how they handled it.
Did y'all hear about the lady on here who found out her husband was cheating, and not only did she sell their home, she had it moved completely off of the lot? And this man had worked 8-hour shift and came home and there was nothing on the land. There was nada. So apparently, this lady found out her husband was cheating, and she was on my type of petty, my type of time, okay? Gave my type of energy, okay? Because what she did was she basically did not say nothing to him. I'm not finna put up a fuss. I'm not finna be arguing with you. I'm not finna be fighting with you. She done found the receipts. It has been confirmed. She know what she know, and I don't need to talk to you about it no more because you already made your motherfucking choice. So what she did was they was in a mobile home now, and you know when you have a mobile home, it's on like a lot. It's up on a freaking lot, and you know you can move it, I guess, whenever you want to or whatever. And they had a nice one too. They had one of them double wide decked out motherfuckers, okay? And shit was nice, okay? So what she did was, when she found out, she sold that bitch, and whoever she sold it to, she had them come get it. Come get it right now. I need everything to be immediately. She changed her number and everything. She got ghost on that nigga, and that's my type of time. Because the only thing you finna hear from me is you finna get served with some fucking divorce papers. Because what else is there to talk about? You decided to step out on this marriage. You did not want a home. You didn't want a family anymore. So I'm gonna alleviate all the problems. That's gone. You can go live with your mistress. I'm good. Trust and believe it. I'm good. And it's done. Bada bing, bada boom, bada bam. I honestly feel like this should be every woman's response when a man cheats, because there is no ifs, ands, or buts about it. I don't want to talk to you. I don't have any questions. If I've already seen what I need to see and it has been confirmed and you did it, I don't need to talk to you anymore. Forget I ever existed. I'm going to forget you. I promise you. I promise you. I will forget that you ever existed. On top of me being a Capricorn, and then me and this ADHD baby, once out of sight, out of mind, baby. Out of sight, out of mind. I don't even know you exist anymore. Like, Kiki Palmer, who is this man? Sorry to this man, because I don't know this man.
I was the lawyer for the girlfriend who found out her boyfriend was cheating on her during their Hawaiian vacation and took his sunscreen, emptied it out, and filled the tube back up with regular lotion. The next day, she let him fall asleep on the beach like he always does, and he was burnt to an absolute crisp. I mean, this guy is as white as the founding father, so his skin doesn't take lightly to that tropical sun, and he ended up in the hospital with third-degree burns. Now, the girlfriend was worried about actually facing prison time, but I told her not to worry at the trial, as I had stacked the jury with a bunch of divorced dads that would think she was cute. The prosecution was up there doing their thing, cross-examining witnesses, blah, 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 but my girl was sitting there winking at guys in the jury box. The jury is far enough away from my defendant that at least 3 or 4 of them think that the wink was directed at them. This puts the jury in a precarious position because they can't send her to prison if they want to go on a date with her. So the jury deliberated for about 48 minutes and then they brought back a not guilty verdict, which made me look like a hero lawyer. And the last I heard, the defendant and juror number 7 are celebrating their first wedding anniversary with a trip to Hawaii, and she's gotten so famous on social media that she's even doing a sponsored post sponsored by a sunscreen brand.
What's that song say? We not crying about no man. We not staking out that man's house. Let's go get some money. We not worrying about that man. We about to get flout on that man. Okay. Exactly. It's all about shifting your focus to your own growth. Instead of wasting energy on him, put that energy into bettering yourself. Whether it's getting a new hairstyle, working out, advancing in your career, or picking up a new hobby. Girl, look. He obviously doing him, so it's time to just do you. Come on now, it's time to level up. The goal is to be...
Alright y'all, so I'm scrolling on TikTok and I come across this video. So the girl said, see how I just found out my ex cheated on me while we on vacation out the country, and I just packed my stuff up and left and went home in the middle of the night. So then she shows us a Polaroid picture of him asleep, and she wrote cheater on it, and then she wrote a note, like a breakup note to him, and then that was the end of the video. And me being me, I'm like, hold up, girl, what happened? We need a story time. And I go in the comments. Luckily, she already made one, and I go watch her video. So basically, her and her boyfriend, they flew out the country to celebrate his 30th birthday. And side note, he too old to be moving like this. But she missed her flight that first day, so she had to fly out the next day. So he was there by himself for one day. And on that day, he texted her. He was like, oh, I met these group of girls. Like, we had a really good night. We had a lot of fun together. Now, that's the first red flag, because what you mean you've been kicking it with a group of girls? But yeah, so she come the next day, and eventually she did mention, like, hey, I wanted to meet these girls that you hung out with, that you had so much fun with. And he was like, oh, yeah, I don't want to hang out with them. They're not my friends for real. Another red flag. But the next few days, she asked him, can I see your phone? Because I want to see the pictures that you've been taking of me. And he give her the phone. I'm guessing he real drunk. He passed out. So as she looking through his phone, looking at the pictures that he took of her, she come across a video of a woman naked in the shower from that first day. And then the next video is of that same woman naked on the balcony at they Airbnb when she wasn't there the first day. And I guess as she look at the group chat with his cousins, and he's talking about, oh, you know, I got this girl out here with me. I don't even need her, my girlfriend or my mom to even come out anymore. And then the other messages she saw, he said, I'm finna get caught. Like, this girl, she can't find her keys. And my girlfriend, her flight finna land, and she finna be on the way here. But yeah, after she saw the messages, she packed her stuff. She wrote the notes and all that, and then she left. She's so much stronger than me. I commend her for just packing your stuff and leaving in silence. I feel like leaving in silence hurt them more than crashing out. But me personally, I don't think I'm that strong. I'm not even a crash out, but I don't even know what I would have did in that situation, because that is so crazy. And the fact it was at an Airbnb. They don't, you know, it ain't like you got the housekeeping service where they come freshen up the room and change the sheets and all that other stuff. But yeah, what y'all would have did? Because if it was me, I think I would have ended up in a Mexican jail, a Jamaican jail, whatever place they was at.
Now, I know that it's easier said than done, and when you are being cheated on, it hurts, okay? The emotions just suck, and it's hard, but I'm here to talk to you, and I'm here to guide you through it, that this is your time to really pull back your energy and focus on yourself. If leaving right now isn't an option, stay calm and play the long game. Make sure you're financially and emotionally prepared for your next steps. Build that savings, get that promotion, or even start a side hustle. Use this time to secure your finances and set yourself up for a smooth exit when you're ready. If you're still living together, stay quiet about your plans and start slowly detaching yourself from the relationship. When when you finally feel emotionally and financially stable, make your move and leave with your head held high. Don't give him any explanations or long speeches about why you're leaving. Simply walk away without looking back, or don't even say a damn word, okay? Trust me, silence speak louder than any word, because your actions are telling him, I'm not even bothered that you're out here cheating. I can do better without you. Of course, this all applies if you have absolute proof. If you're just going on speculations without any proof, baby, get you some proof first before you come out here and embarrass yourself. And the man ain't even cheating on you. But this is if you know that your man is cheating. Hardcore evidence.
Please, don't get up. This isn't what it looks like. Really? Well, what does it look like, child? Here, let me help you. You know, you really shouldn't wear this color. Makes you look like a tramp. What am I saying? You are a tramp.
Hey, what are you doing with that suitcase?
I'm leaving you.
Oh, Christ, honey. Come on, you know you're not gonna leave me.
Never contradict a woman while you're in your underwear. It puts you at a great disadvantage.
Oh, come on now, honey. Be realistic. Where would you go? What would you do?
Where's my passport?
Oh, hell, go on then, leave me. I don't need you around here anyway. All you do is hold me back and spend my money, and everybody knows that.
Well, what a relief for you, then.
You serious? You really trying to leave me?
I'm fed up. Like, I kept trying. And
I didn't even cheat that much, though. Like, why is a mess in here? What the freak? What's going on? Yo, you good? You good? Are you good? Like,
more than good.
What you mean you more than good?
I'm good. I'm straight.
What you doing? What are you doing?
I'm leaving.
You leaving?
Yes.
Where you think you going? What? Like,
I'm getting my own place.
You said what?
I'm getting my own place.
Why are you getting your own place?
You thought I was gonna keep lying? You cheat on me?
So that mean go get your... Yo, you serious right now? You serious? You really trying to leave me?
I'm fed up. Like, I kept trying. And
I didn't even cheat that much, though. Like, how many times you don't let me cheat and let me slide?
Right.
So what changed?
This is my last time.
What, because I cheated with your friend? That's what changed? Like...
This is my last time.
I mean, my bad. I didn't mean to hurt your feelings and all, but, you know, a man gonna be a man at the end of the day.
Okay.
And you talking about you moving, any man gonna do you wrong. All men cheat.
No, they don't.
Yes, they do. They do.
They don't.
Listen, man, I do got love for you. I really don't. I don't want to see us go down this route, feel me? I don't want nobody to end up hurt. So, can you just put your stuff
You're
back?
You're the only one that's gonna end up hurt.
Can you just put your stuff back, please?
I'm cool.
Can you please just put your stuff back?
I'm cool.
Listen to me. Can we talk about this?
No, I don't want to talk. I talk. I'm tired of talking.
Can we please,
Right.
can we be adults and just talk, bro? We never talk.
It's
You don't know how
nothing to talk about.
You don't know how to communicate.
I keep talking to you.
So you seriously moving
Right.
everything out? This is crazy, man.
I keep talking to you. You're not gonna keep talking to
All
you.
these years a waste.
Okay, you wasted it, not me.
I didn't even do anything, bro.
You just...
For the most part, I treat you good, though.
You are.
I pay your phone bill. I give you money.
You worried about money. You worried about what you pay for. How about loyalty? You can't give that. How about time? You can't give that.
A man is going to be a man at the end of the day.
How about honesty? You can't give that. You can't give nothing.
A man is going to be a man at the end of the day. So you saying you leaving me
Your
for those
side is
reasons?
right there.
You leaving me for those reasons, but you going to go get with a dude that's the same way. We all the same.
No, they're not.
We are. I'm telling you. I'm a man, and I'm telling you from a man that you're not going to find nobody better than me.
Okay.
Especially nobody that provide like I do.
Okay. You think so? Keep thinking that's the problem.
I am, because
you thinking I can't find better.
You're not even leaving for real.
But that was my problem too, though. That was my problem.
But you did this.
But it's better out here for sure.
Listen, you did this.
You
before.
thought I wouldn't leave too, right? Okay.
You did this before, and you put your stuff back. So
And guess what? And guess what?
What?
You will see. You're gonna reap what you sow, and that's your problem. You're gonna see. You think I did this before, and I'm just gonna, not leave?
I mean, you did.
I am.
But you did this before.
I'm gonna leave.
Where are you going though?
I promise you.
Where are you going?
Don't worry about me.
You don't have good credit.
Don't worry about me. Don't worry about me.
Man, you gonna be in some beat down. You about to be in a beat
you
down.
Thought I didn't have good credit. You thought.
You gonna be in a beat down house.
I don't think what you think.
Bro.
You thought you had one up. My credit is perfectly fine.
You're not gonna have a house like this though.
Okay.
You're not gonna get a house like this.
I promise you gonna be.
You're not gonna get a house like this.
I got it. You don't even know.
Man, you ain't get no house. You ain't get no house. You ain't get no house. You only got a car to go see a tour. You didn't get no house. You did not get no house. It's cool.
Believe what you want.
I am.
I'm gonna be up.
All right, whatever.
You're gonna be broke and I'm gonna be up.
Whatever you say. You're not even going nowhere. You finna put your stuff right back.
I think it's the best revenge for cheating.
The best revenge, well, if you're cheated on, is to upgrade. Moving on quickly is the best way to make a person feel stupid.
So, ladies, while there are so many ways that you can handle being cheated on, the best revenge is to just say nothing and glow up. Your silent transformation will speak louder than any words could ever. And if none of these work well for you, you could always just put sugar in this gas tank. Just kidding. You didn't hear that from me. Don't do that. I'm not responsible for your actions, babe. Well, Rych Babes, just remember it's all about leveling up you, not him. He'll see your glow up and that will be his true punishment. Now, what would you do if you found out that your man is cheating? Share your thoughts in the comments. Make sure that you like, subscribe, and share. And I will see you all again soon. Love you, Rych Babes.